Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video is the continuation for the Moto E first gen battery replacement video. I posted that video for months now, and now I'm going to posting this second episode, which is basically I'm having Moto E first gen mobile that is having a battery problem, I think. But let's see what is the problem in this mobile. And coming to the this package, this is the battery of that mobile particularly, and I purchased it from Snapdeal. That is why the package looks like very different. And so yeah, let's break the seal, and let's see what else we are having. Only we're having battery, no paper, nothing. So this is the Motorola EL40 original battery, guys. And coming to the pricing and everything, I will leave in the description box. If you are really interested, go and check that one. This is the previous battery on my left hand side, and this is the original battery on my right hand side, I mean the new one. You can observe the differences. There is no difference because these are original batteries only. It is a inbuilt battery in that mobile, so actually many people don't use the Motorola mobiles, I think so now also. So if you missed the first episode of this one, here in the card section you can find, or else in the description box you can find that one. I'm tearing out the tape so that it would fit for the new one. And first I will test whether it works or not. Mostly I am thinking like the battery problem. If it is not the case, then the whole motherboard will stuck, so it's useless. And if I want to use this mobile especially, I need to purchase a new motherboard. Actually, even I searched for the motherboard in online, but the prices are very high. And but even though prices are high, this model is not at all are having the motherboards separately. Actually, this model is Moto E first gen XT1022, which is having a dual SIM and a memory card support. But in online market, only single SIM with a memory card support is there, which is not a fair purchase. So yeah, let's open this one and insert the battery. You can observe how cool these mobiles on the days, and this is the first mobile I used, and I really like and I really enjoyed the mobile using this one. But after some years of usage, I shifted to a Redmi Note 3 mobile. But on that time also it is having some problems, but somewhat I managed to use that. So it's very simple to attach the battery to the board. It's just like a pin type. You need to press to attach the pins correctly. And also guys, mostly I don't think so whether you are having this mobile, and some of the people also commented Moto E first gen episode of the battery replacement, they are still using the mobile. I'm really surprised. Dude, it's 2021, but even though you are using this mobile, which means that the people are not the problem, but the mobile is worth in 2021 also. But it is, I think they stopped the Android updates also up to a Lollipop, which is Android 5.0. But most of the people don't know what is Android 5.0, Lollipop or that. And later on it comes Android 6, which is Marshmallow, and Android 7 and Android 8, and now we are running Android 11 and 12 mobiles. So I successfully attached the battery to the mobile, and now let's check whether it works or not. I think mostly it works. If it is not working, means the motherboard is the problem. It's really hard to find the motherboard of these mobiles, but in case if I get the motherboard, I will post a dedicated video how to I managed inserting the motherboard as well as the battery in this mobile. And also guys, if you want to purchase this toolkit, this is a very really helpful toolkit for each and every mobile, and it's very cheap also. I will leave the links in description box. If you are really wanted to purchase this one, it really helps you a lot, and do check the links in the description box. After successfully inserting the screws, the mobile wouldn't turn on, which results it is the problem in the motherboard. Even I tried with charging also, but it doesn't turn on. which really very unhappy to me. But even though if it is sustainable in 2020, it's a very great thing. But guys, when I charge this mobile, it turn on a white LED blink light. Yes, this one is also having a notification LED light, and turns off within a fraction of seconds, which means that it is having a motherboard problem. So I will search in online market whether the motherboards are available or not. If the motherboards are available, I will post a dedicated video how to I manage attaching the motherboard to this mobile. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. That's all for this video, and I will catch you in the next video with a new interesting one. Until then, subscribe to techbunny and click the bell icon to the side of it to get every video notification whenever I post a new video in this channel. Take care.